to Movenpick to try their
Kasama namin si Kuya.
breakfast buffet.
Hello!
Sino Kuya? Kuya ko.
Baka malaglag ka, Jay. Sabihin ano eh.
Welcome to Movenpick Hotel. Christmas feels. Kuya, for breakfast?
The market not want me to bring you there.
Ah, sige, please. Ay, Kuya, I'll just... Ah, okay. Thank you.
Isla. Atid ko lang sa inyo.
Ganda ng ano nyo. Christmas decor. Ang ganda ng Christmas tree, oh. Ay, Kuya, wait lang.
Yes po.
Ayan na. Picture tayo mamaya dito.
Tayo ni Ma.
Yeah. Nice. Ganda. Okay, let's go. Ay, okay. Malayo pala.
Hindi naman po masyado. Nasa 1 minute.
Okay. So, may sasakyan para makarating doon.
Tapan nyo na yung sa...
Ang nice, oh. Ay, kain muna tayong breakfast. Thank you. So, ang breakfast nila is sa the market.
Ayun na yun.
Ganda! Pwede ba dyan magstay for breakfast? Kuha lang tayo ng breakfast, tapos dito tayo.
Di ano mo muna kung bukunin ka, tapos labas na lang tayo mamaya.
KKKK.
Diyan tayo tumampas.
KKKKK. Hi, good morning.
Would you like to try our healthy shots?
Yeah,
This
sige.
one is made from pineapple, watermelon, and mint.
Thank you.
How about you, sir?
Yeah, your
Healthy
shot.
shots?
Thank you.
Hi, good morning, miss. For walk-in kami. Bali, 5 kami, pero to follow yung dalawa. Accor member.
Accor member.
Oo.
All adults, ma'am.
Oo, all adult. Dalawa kami Accor member. Yeah. Let's check.
Ma'am, orient ko lang po kayo sa buffet po namin, ma'am. This is our pastry section po. Then, lahat ng may pork po, doon naman po. Then, we have also gluten-free bread po and vegan po. Then, this way na lang po tayo. And if you want some coffee naman po, ma'am, juice, fruits, dito naman po. Then, may mga food po kami sa loob, ma'am. May mga salad po, omelette, and may pork po.
Hi. So we can stay here. Oo.
Okay, we will add another setup na lang.
Okay, salamat. Ito na, mag-start na kami ng aming breakfast with my brother. Wala pa yung dalawa, missing pa. And,
Yummy.
yeah.
Healthy pa niya.
Parang like it, hindi mo alam kung ano pipiliin.
Actually, na-overwhelm ako eh. Hindi ko lang kung... Hindi akong ketchup. Yung ketchup. Huwag na sira, no? Hingi ka.
Oo, damihan mo ah. Yung sa din namin. And our view is the pool. So while eating, and so hi guys, we are here at Movenpick Hotel and we're having our breakfast here. So as an Accor member, you get to have 50% off with your accompanying guest and a lot different discount naman kapag kami marami yung guest mo, parang gano'n. And sobrang daming selections ng food. By the way, their lunch or their breakfast starts at 6:30 to 10:30 a.m. At ang price for the adults is 1,098 and for the kids, it's 500 plus if you kumaalala. So yun, sobrang international, no? Yung kanilang gourmet. And we start eating. So we ordered a hot chocolate, ito ata, and latte. So maraming selections. Yung hot chocolate, you can actually have it na tablero.
Di-discuss daw kung ano yung mga bagong hotel nila. Tapos try na yung food. Ano yung buy back? Kasha kayo, picture muna kayo.
So ayan, sobrang late. Kaya pala late. Hindi ka pala.
Kailangan mag-ano
May ano, Diyos ko.
May artista kami kasama.
Correct. O sige na, kuha na kayo.
Grabe. Bakit dami na kinain ha?
Go.
Look at my brain.
Yeah.
I-flex natin sa vlog.
Well, tutulog daw na 1 minute.
Oo. Fresh na fresh eh. Sa haba ng tubig. Guys, pumunta kami sa beach ngayon and we had a great lunch. Sorry, breakfast pala. My breakfast is at 1,098. Thank you! And, ayun. Sa kayo ikot? Ay, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you!
Thank you, ma'am!
Dapat punta doon, ang ganda.
Oh,
Hindi na umabot yung drone mo doon, Jay.
oo nga eh.
Hindi, pero ano yun? Dapat di naman dyan. Hindi baka policy nila. Oo, privacy rin. Malamang. Dito daw yung hugas ng paa. Paano mo nilagay yung Movenpick na logo?
Tatak, sir.
May spring press.
Iniinit po yung
Talaga?
tatak. Para sa mga tinapay.
Okay. Hugas ka.
We're here and movement team. Wait,
Ay,
everyone.
everyone.
Hi, everyone.
love. The best.
Yeah. Bye.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my everyone. We're here to introduce ourselves.
Sige,
My name's Miguel.
you can follow
Yo.
me at
Follow me at
You can follow me at Miguel Degs. I don't know. what are my socials? I don't know.
and
Hi, my name is Princess. You can follow me at Sassy Gaga.
Ako na.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Jesus Tadeus de Guzman. You can call me Jesus Tadeus.
What's your IG? What's your IG?
what's your IG?
Ano kasi IG ko? May IG si Sus Tadeus ni Gusto.
Next, the hobby.
Oh, hi. Ito walang ano to.
Walang social.
Walang social.
You can follow us on our Facebook and
Ayun na.
Instagram account, Eat, Pray, Love, and Travel. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube, Eat, Pray, Love, Travel. Bye!
Hello! Bye-bye!
Season here at Movenpick Resort and Spa here in Boracay. Hi! So, the lobby area is inside. Hindi tayo makapasok kasi basa tayo. Lounge area. And this is the entire map. So, we're not gonna go further kasi ayun na si Kuya. Kaya hatid na tayo ng shuttle. Rolling na.
Mahal ba na binayad dito sa Movenpick? Pagtutulakin niyo ako? Mahal ba na kwarto ko dito? Grabe kayo.
At least na burn. Bye-bye!
Buffet breakfast nila.
Nakakalok. Ito, tinan mo. Kine-question ka.
Ang tahilig ko, di ko